Ever wondered how scientists separate different colors from a single marker, or how they identify harmful chemicals in our food? Welcome to the world of chromatography, a powerful laboratory technique that works like a superpowered filter, breaking down complex mixtures into their individual components. Chromatography uses two key players: a stationary phase, think of it as the foundation, like paper, and a mobile phase, like water or another liquid that moves through it. These two phases work together to separate a mixture based on how different components interact with them. Held on screen. Imagine this. You have a paper towel and different colored markers mixed together. You dip the bottom of the paper in water. As the water travels upward, this is the mobile phase in action. It carries the marker pigments with it. But here's the magic. Each color moves at a different speed. Some colors travel faster, others slower, and they all separate into distinct bands on the paper. This happens because each component has different properties, different sizes, different stickiness, different weights. There are several types of chromatography, each designed for different purposes. Let's explore the main ones. The simplest and most basic method, perfect for teaching and analyzing small, simple mixtures, paper acts as the stationary phase. Similar to paper chromatography but faster and more precise, it uses a thin layer of silica gel or alumina on a glass plate. Used for volatile compounds, substances that easily turn into gases. The mobile phase is an inert gas like helium. The most advanced and powerful method. It separates complex mixtures with extreme precision and speed, used in professional laboratories and pharmaceutical companies. Chromatography isn't just a lab technique, it's a game changer across multiple industries. Drug companies use chromatography to ensure medicines are pure and effective, separating active ingredients from impurities. Scientists analyze water and soil samples to detect pollutants and harmful chemicals. Food safety inspectors use chromatography to check for pesticides, additives, and contaminants in what we eat. Researchers separate proteins and other biomolecules for genetic research and medical breakthroughs. Let's see where chromatography makes a real difference in our lives. Crime scene investigators use chromatography to analyze bloodstains, fibers, and drug samples as evidence. It can identify whether a substance is an illegal drug or a legal medication, critical information for solving crimes. Doctors and laboratory technicians use chromatography to diagnose diseases. They separate components in blood or urine samples to detect hormonal imbalances, infections, and even early signs of diseases like diabetes or cancer. Food quality inspectors use chromatography to ensure our food is safe. They detect pesticide residues, artificial additives, preservatives, and contaminants that shouldn't be in our meals. Chromatography is more than just a laboratory technique. It's a scientific superpower that helps us understand the world at a molecular level. Whether it's keeping our medicines safe, our food clean, or solving crimes, chromatography separates the complex and reveals the truth hidden in mixtures. Want to learn more about chromatography or other fascinating science topics? Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next video.